Recent cases of child abuse in Fayette County are prompting new calls for further punishment. KDKA's Lauren Linder talked to the state rep who's proposing a new law.
The whole circumstances around this are just absolutely heart-wrenching.
That's Republican Pennsylvania Representative Ryan Warner. He represents Fayette County, which has experienced horrific cases of child abuse in the past 2 years. Most recently, that which led to the death of 9-year-old Renesmee Utsi, found in the Youghiogheny River last week, allegedly killed by her foster mom and assaulted by that woman's wife. Now the district attorney's office says her younger brother remains in the hospital and 2 other children were removed from the Dunbar Township home they were staying in.
We need to do something about it.
Warner just reintroduced a bill he proposed last year following an incident involving a Brownsville couple that locked their 6-year-old in a dog cage and starved her. It would create 2 new child torture felonies that would be added onto child abuse charges, something that's available in the majority of the country. Pennsylvania is one of about a dozen states that doesn't have this specific statute. Warner says this would fill the gap in state law that currently doesn't have offenses when it comes to children experiencing only mental trauma or physical injury that's not serious.
The thought that there are other children enduring this torture and enduring this pain right now is why we need to take action.
According to the bill, the charge would be filed as a 3rd-degree felony when a person intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly tortures a child under the age of 18 who is in their custody or control. If the victim does not suffer a physical injury, they could get up to 7 years in prison and/or up to $15,000 in fines. If the victim suffers a physical injury, it would be a 1st-degree offense, facing up to 20 years in prison and/or up to $25,000 in fines.
If anything comes out of what happened, I hope that we're able to protect other children down the road and other children that are possibly experiencing these horrors right now.
Representative Warner tells me he has bipartisan support. Currently, the bill is in the committee stage and will need a full House vote before it heads to the Senate. Lauren Linder, KDKA-TV News.